coming to resolution and settling a case between you is important for a whole lot of reasons. But to me, one of the most important reasons to settle your own case, if you have children, is your children. Remember always that you're role models for your children. And yes, you're facing difficult problems, but if you can take these difficult issues and if you can resolve them between yourselves, you're modeling good conflict resolution for your children. They see that this can be done. And children certainly know when their parents are duking it out in court and they don't feel good about it. Every divorce is different. No two people have the same set of facts, no two people have the same finances, and certainly no two people have the same children as your children. If you're just starting on the process of separation and divorce, and you're having a really difficult time about what's this going to do to your children, I'd like to reassure you. I don't want to give you false hope. Of course it's difficult for children. Don't lose sight of that. But you know what? Life is hard. And we all have to get through difficult things. And if you remember that your role is to parent the child and your role is to put your child first and foremost, your child or your children don't really need to be unduly harmed. What you really need to do is figure out conceptually, how are we going to parent these children from two separate households? So that doesn't set up a hierarchical structure. That doesn't have a winner and a loser. You just look at, here are my children, here are our children, here are their needs, here are my needs, here's my work schedule, here's where I live, here's where my spouse lives. Now, how can we take that construct and look at when should the children be with mom and when should the children be with dad, and throw out all the language